Being both an intern and a fellow in the Children and Youth Law Clinic has been one of the most rewarding and most useful experiences that I've had at the University of Miami School of Law. I enjoyed my experience because I got to have legal training, legal experience, and substantial supervision that will definitely help me to be a thoughtful and zealous advocate for my future clients.
You really learn how to listen and identify legal issues by talking to clients. Because before I would read cases, and through the cases you were told to identify legal issues and then talk about them. But when you're meeting with clients and they're just talking to you about their life, it's your job to figure out, okay, so what can we help them with? What sort of legal issues do they have? And the clinic is a really good place. The Children and Youth Law Clinic is a really good place to grow in that sense.
Dealing with the dependency court in Miami-Dade County really opens your eyes to some of the issues and things that are going on in our neighborhoods and our communities here, and gives you a really good sense of how the interworking parts all work together in one area of our justice system.
I think it is so useful for every law student to be able to have the interpersonal skills to really connect with people in different relationships. For me, I was a teacher before I came to law school, so it was great for me to be able to develop a different type of relationship with my children and the youth that I served in the capacity of being a legal intern and fellow.
We started with we meaning me and my partner, started with about 8 clients on top of classes and life. So it's really taught me how to organize myself. So that's definitely been an obstacle I've had to overcome, to have so many different issues. With each client there's 2, 3 issues. Some issues just come up unexpectedly. So you really learn how to deal with challenges that sort of get tossed at you, and how to handle stress, which I think is important because the legal field can be stressful at times, especially if you're not too sure how to handle that stress.
One of the greatest highlights of being an intern and a fellow in the clinic is that I've had the opportunity to stay with one of my former clients and serve her in a different capacity as her educational surrogate parent. For me, this was great because I've been able to see that people who serve our children are really dedicated to them. She has a team of people who are passionate about her cause, who really listen to her, and it has given me more faith in the system that we've set up that will help our children and youth to really grow and develop into the great people that they are.